to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing a really simple make-ahead dessert. It's berry chocolate chia pudding. Yum, yum, yum. And it's so simple, delicious, nutritious. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to use our high-speed blender. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of milk, 1/2 of an avocado, about 1¼ cup of berries. Now, I use strawberries, but you can use raspberries, blueberries, whatever kind of berries you want. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of date syrup. Now, keep an eye on my channel because I actually show you how to make this on another video. Two tablespoons of almond butter. And we're just going to blend this until it all comes together and it's smooth. All right, and there you go. That's the pudding. I'm just going to pour this into a bowl. And I'm going to add to that 1/4 cup of chia seeds. And I'm just going to whisk this up until the chia seeds are evenly distributed. Okay. This is going to be covered, go into the refrigerator for 8 hours or overnight, at least 8 hours. And enjoy. This will serve 4 or 2 really hungry people. Ideally, it's for about 1/2 cup serving per person, and you can garnish this with chocolate chips or additional berries, however you want to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.